So there was one with Adur Gopal Krishnan, and there was one with Sham Benegal, which I both saw snatches of pretty much a lot of it, and feeling quite chuffed about the fact that I also saw a bit of Manu Pillai's work. That's how I discovered you guys. Uh, and yeah, quite chuffed that you are archiving uh, film professionals uh, who have been part of the industry for many years, and done some seminal work. And to be included among them is a great ego boost. I even wore a kurta for it today. So, I like what you're doing. I genuinely do because, like I was telling you earlier, uh, we live in a country where I think knowledge. Uh, there's been an oral tradition of passing down knowledge, right from how it's been for thousands of since millennia. Uh, so I often found that one hasn't archived so many cinematic legends and very important people from our cinematic history, not just cinema, across the board, since we're talking about cinema here. And just for it to have like so much archival value to be got, somebody would reference it in the future and see the context behind these stories and the process behind these stories that were told. So I really like what you're doing. You're doing it in a very clean, non-sensational. So more power to you.